Good evening and thanks for joining us. First tonight, how Scientology is lurching from controversy to the courtroom. The church has been in global panic mode ever since November, when we aired the stunning allegations tabled by Senator Nick Xenophon. Well, now, one of the men behind those allegations has found himself in court in a case described as bizarre. Brian Seymour has our exclusive report.
Can I help you?
The woman in this car is Sue Hunt, a Scientologist. The man approaching her is former Scientologist Aron Saxton. Ms Hunt is trying to get an apprehended violence order, or AVO, against Aron, claiming he bashed on her car window and put her in fear for her safety.
Didn't you go up to her car out of the blue and bash on her window? No, that's what she's saying, or her lawyer was saying.
In fact, while Ms Hunt flips the finger, Aron remains polite and does not touch her or her car.
I was just wondering why the car was coming back and forth. Does your client allege that Aron has personally threatened her, or is it just going after people who are critical of Scientology?
Lawyer Julie Volosky told the court that the entire reason her Scientology client feared for her safety was because of the aggressive and threatening way that Aron bashed on her car window. The video shows this simply did not happen.
We're going to go now. If you don't mind not following us. Will the church go after me for an AVO? Because I'm trying to interview you about the intentions behind this.
Why on earth would this Scientologist apparently make something up about Aron and take him to court?
What have we just seen? Myself inquiring as to who this unknown person is and why am I being followed. Do you accept that it could be interpreted as intimidation, as making someone scared? No. No reasonable person would. And I don't believe a magistrate will either. Oh, God.
We first introduced you to Aron 2 months ago. He joined a group of former Scientologists in revealing stunning, shocking claims of abuse tabled by federal independent Senator Nick Xenophon.
Since speaking out, Aron says that he has been harassed at work. His mother has been visited by private investigators. He's had a number of unexplained phone calls to his private mobile. And you've got to ask the question, has this got anything to do with the Scientology doctrine of fair game?
Support is reportedly spreading in Canberra for a Senate inquiry into Scientology, focusing not on its religious beliefs, rather its practices.
Can I help you? Would that put you in desperate fear that someone could jump out at any time and attack you out of the blue? That's what Scientology's lawyer told the court. What the lawyer didn't tell the judge was that the Scientologist, Sue Hunt, completed a course called PTS/SP. And this course is designed to teach Scientologists how to attack, intimidate, harass, even lie about anyone or any group that criticises Scientology.
Scientologists who have escaped the cult have long cited as the reason for their change of heart a policy called fair game, which calls on followers to destroy critics any way they can.
Let me just quote you what L. Ron Hubbard said about it. He said that Scientology critics can be tricked, sued, or lied to, or destroyed. Now, they are the words of the founder of Scientology.
The only aggressive behaviour we can see here comes from Sue Hunt. Is there method to this madness? Well, here's the head of Scientology in Australia, Vicky Dunstan, giving her critics the same gesture.
As a Scientologist, can I ask who sent you here to photograph us here today?
Nobody sent
And for
me.
what reason?
I'm a local. Goodbye.
We've got first-hand experience of this kind of childish attempt at intimidation. Around the same time in December, in Melbourne, my crew and I spotted this woman hiding behind a bush, taking snaps.
Are you with the Church of Scientology?
No, I'm a local and watching you, watching someone else.
The woman is Flora Sullivan. She's a Scientologist, an operating Thetan Level 8. That's higher up than Tom Cruise, John Travolta and Jamie Packer. She is one of the most enlightened Scientologists you could meet.
Well, I think you're the scum of the earth, to be honest.
Is that because you're a Scientologist?
If a person attacks Scientology, you may use the law, you may use litigation in any way, shape or form to harass or silence that critic. And I practiced that myself when I was there.
Do you believe, in fact, that Australians have the right to express themselves freely and to criticise groups and individuals? Oh, here you go. Don't want to miss that. No worries.
And again today, we sought comment from Miss Hunt's lawyer and the Church of Scientology. You can see Scientology's response on our website.